Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious chicken tikka recipe, and I'm going to make barbecue chicken tikka, and it will be oilless, oil free, and I'm going to make it in air fryer. I have a boneless, skinless 2-pound chicken breast cut into small pieces and washed with cold water. Other ingredients we need: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, ground ginger, garlic powder, granulated onion, half teaspoon each, half cup smoked barbecue sauce. First step will be we're going to marinate the chicken. Onion, garlic, ginger, black pepper, salt, and now we're going to add the barbecue sauce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to marinate for 2 hours, and I'll put it in the fridge. It's always a good idea to marinate longer period of time. Do it overnight, but I'll do it 2 hours. The chicken is marinated for 2 hours. Prior to adding into air fryer, mix it one more time. This is perfect. I'm going to open the air fryer. Place all the chicken. We're going to make sure that we spread it evenly. Once it's nicely spread out, we're going to place it in the air fryer. This one has a preset mode, so we're going to select chicken. And chicken is at 360 Fahrenheit, but we're going to make it 400 Fahrenheit. And the time is 20 minutes. So we're going to turn it on. And now we're going to cook it, the barbecue chicken tikka, for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to open it. We're going to make sure that we flip the chicken, and then we're going to put it back again, additional 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes. I'm going to open it. The barbecue chicken tikka looking very nice. And we're going to make sure that we flip them over. Make sure that you spread it evenly, and we're going to place it back into the air fryer. And it will start automatically where it left off. So another 10 minutes, our barbecue chicken tikka will be done. 1 more minute to go, we're almost done. And we're going to wait for the final beep before we open it. That's the final beep, and now we're going to open it. I can't wait. Wow, look at this. Delicious barbecue chicken is nicely done. I have my serving plate ready, and we're going to take it out. So easy to make, and it's super tasty. And also it's moist. Within 20 minutes, we have barbecue chicken tikka. This is a perfect appetizer, and you can make it anytime. Let me share with you. Barbecue chicken tikka, oilless, oil-free in air fryer, is all ready. Please try it, and you're going to like it. If you like barbecue, then this is the best recipe. So please try it. Share your comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.